Hello students, let's see types of research. There are several types of research, usually classified based on purpose, approach or nature of data. Here is a clear breakdown for you. Yes, so see, based on purpose, basic research or we can say fundamental research expands knowledge without immediate applications. Example, studying atomic structure. Next, applied research, solve practical problems, that is developing a new drug. Yes, action research, problem solving in a specific context, often in education or organization. It is a instant research. Action research is the process of instant research. Next, evaluation research assesses effectiveness of programs, policies or products. Next, based on approach, that is quantitative research, uses members measurement and statistical analysis. Next, qualitative research explores meanings, experiences and concepts using interviews, observations. Next, mixed method research combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches. Third type is based on nature of study. Yes, so descriptive research, analytical research, exploratory research, explanatory research and experimental research. So we have seen already descriptive research, analytical research, exploratory research or explanatory research and analytical research are the what we can say are similar types of research, analytical and explanatory. Yes, next, experimental research. In next video we will see experimental research that involves controlled experiment to test hypothesis. Fourth point is other classifications. Cross-sectional research studies a group at one point in time. Longitudinal research studies the same group over a long period. Field research conducted in real world settings. Laboratory research conducted in controlled environment. In short, we can say the main types of research often referred to are descriptive, analytical, exploratory and explanatory research. Yes, so we have already seen descriptive, analytical, exploratory research. Okay, so one by one we will see on upcoming videos basic research, applied research, action research, evaluation research, quantitative research, qualitative research, mixed method research. All research we will see in upcoming videos. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.